Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside with me, your host. We've got a new table for today's episode and a new window as well. But anyway, this is what I'm going to be opening today. On a recent trip to Bristol, a man wearing check trousers came up to me and gave me this IKEA bag and said that I could have the contents. But yeah, let's see what it is. Quite heavy, so if I bring it all the way home, bit of a nuisance. It's quite hard in one hand, to be honest. There we go. Look like I can see a train there. Bubble wrap. Take that off. What we got here? Great Western Railway. My favourite railway. Whoa. Okay, there we have it. Appears to be a book about the Great Western Railway. Let's take a look. Immediately greeted by a gun. That is quite alarming, but keep going. Orm's Great Western Railway. Okay. 210 shillings. Quite a bit. Picture of a train. Western Railway. Geology. Do love a good rock. Just looks like a normal book, but extremely large. Lots of words. Boring. More words. Geology. Here we go. There's a map. There we go. I received this book here. Yeah. Fancy that. More maps. And cool picture. And now I know why the book is so large. It's just lots of very nice pictures. Yep. Cool. There you go. That's what's inside. Just for comparison. That's what a normal book looks like. And compared. It's me. Always do this shot, don't I? There you have it. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next episode.